Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I want to show you all 11 professional sport modes on your OnePlus Watch 4. So, we are going to open up the workout app right here, and here we have the workout. So as you guys can see, there's a lot more than 11. This is already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And of course, you can click on the plus button, and here you can add another one. So here we have, let's say, outdoor workout. We can add parkour, trail hiking, rock climbing, roller skating, skateboarding, and etc. So that's what you guys can do in the app, but we're going to focus on the most important ones. So the first one, we got the outdoor cycle. So you're just cycling on your bike, and it is perfectly accurate because of the dual band GPS. Now we also have a outdoor run. This is for people that just run, let's say, through the city. Here we have the track run, which is for people that run around the track and try to get their best score or the best time. Of course, we got the indoor run, which is, let's say, a treadmill. We got the fat burn run. We got the outdoor walk and indoor walk. So these are the important ones because you open them whenever you're going out with your family, for an example. And here we have the let's say, tennis, badminton. We got the mountain hiking. We got the swimming, and of course we got like freestyle, and we got the outdoor ski or snowboard. There's a lot more options, but these are the most professional ones, for an example. And of course we got the surfing, we got motorboarding, we got water polo, we got rafting, we got even canoeing, which is very cool because you actually do something here. We also can add something like basketball. We can add a soccer, which is football. Then of course we got the outdoor walkout, which we've already checked. So we also have the leisure, like tug of war, kite flying, darts, frisbee, dog walking, and etc. But these are just added because they had to be added. I would recommend using them. If you have so many options, then I would not recommend adding them. Of course, we got a lot more here. For example, ab exercises, we got the aerobics, we got the boxing, we got judo, we got chest exercises, lower back, and there's a lot of options here. So it will be hard for me to go over every single one of them, but the brief explanation was already given. They are the most important ones right here, like cycling, running, and etc. Of course, you can customize it and make sure that you create your own professional sports modes right here. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.